So hi guys, it's Athaleyah Wolf back again here directly after my last episode. So close, but this time we've got it down. It's basically directly after this, and directly after the last video I just went back to Firefly Forest, and now I have not even gotten to Firefly Gen yet. But we are ready. Come on. The drum roll, please. Oh, it's loaded. Loading. Well, at least you can see we've gotten the powerful plant, the powerful plant relic. Looks like we are going to get the Firefly gem for once. Okay, guys, I give up. I'm going to log out and log back in again. See you soon. Goodbye. Hi, guys, I'm back again, and so yeah, by the way, if you do want to meet up with me, just tell me in the comment section below. Nice. Okay, finally, after all that, finally it gives me a Firefly gem, which is a little green gem. So, yeah, let's see what I got. Oh, I earned a reward. Emerald elf booties. Oh, those are kind of cute, but I think I'll wear them for the elf festival. Well, the forest festival I'm gonna have more like. Okay. Well, yay. Well, so nice. Yeah, so we're back to the house now. And finally, we can show off. So, I'm about to have a party. So, oh my, let's decorate for the party, I suppose. I'll make a guest bedroom. Very large guest bedroom, but yeah, so now I am going to, unfortunately, have to take away all my stuff that is not related to the Firefly Forest, or just not like a default part of my house. Yes, or I guess in this case, with the exception of the few items in my room. So yeah, that's off limits for all you party guests. No going in there, but yeah, this table is going to be taken away. Oops. And yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna have to squeeze as many. I'm gonna remove the bookshelf. Be able to fit more beds in. I'm just gonna try to figure out this. So what else possible? Try to get as many things interesting. Okay. Now I think I will. That looks odd, but okay. So now I have 3 things here, and I can fit 2 more beds for all of you who want to come in and have a sleepover party. But okay, that looks very interesting, I'll say. But yes. Well, now we are going to go back to the Firefly Forest. Sorry if you are quite bored of the Firefly Forest, but things. So, you're back, finally. I'm going to dress in my Earth party clothes. So actually, I'm not going to Florida. No. Actually, I do have quite a few of these. I'm at Titus. But no, not enough. I want an epic very badly. I want this epic. You can tell me that Charizard is the most powerful. I don't care. I want that one. But yes, I'm going to go to the merchant now. Buy a few things. No, it doesn't look like I'm going to be buying that. So I'm going to dress my elf stuff. So, weapons. No, but I do like these a lot. House. This is what I was. So yeah, I'm going to get a few things. I had a lot to buy that I could buy, but I suppose I'm just going to waste it all on little things. No, but I do like to get a few non-member things. And I'm going to buy the mushroom side table. But now I have quite a lot. I have a few extras to save in case I decide to go back here and want anything. Really? For goodness sakes. Yeah, but let's go back and decorate. By the way, if you like this house, it is a members only house. And it is it's called Split Decision. And for Christmas, for the start of winter, or an early Christmas present, I am going to buy myself one of these two. I haven't decided yet, but one of these. And if anybody from Prodgy again is watching this, I have varying elemental powers, but so I'd like some. I don't really think these are too good. Tell me what you want. It's nice. I did say I get it for the wintry spirit, but something like that, but not that nice. You hear me? The fire pit is nice. This is one of my favorites, except for the fact I don't like fire. These mates ain't like that, and then I like the tree house and other earthy ones, but my element is water, and I'd really like a watery, like a water and an air one, just so everybody can do it, no matter what they choose. Okay, now may I go home? So yeah, guess we're gonna have a little earthy party here, but so I said I'm not too into earthy kind of things, but we will go with this. Where'd it go? I'll find it eventually. Can you see it? The little mushroom table? I'll find it eventually. Unless that's how you delete things? Certainly hope it's not. Well, if you know what that is, where my little new mushroom table went, tell me. I'd appreciate the knowledge. But yes, I have to decorate a bit. I did say I would. Oh, this is Earth? Oops. And I have another one of these. Oops. But I like that little mushroom table. I want to know where it went. Did I like give it away? You know, please tell me. No, I don't want to go to Power Pass. I'm going to check back, and I will try to look in the matter, but yeah, that's interesting. Is that how you delete it? Well, I've got an idea. Here's the way to tell. See these old chairs? I'm going to drag this here. No. I don't get it. Not at all. But now's not the time for my little worries. Now's the time to get dressed in cool things. So, it's not that you can see it, but I'm going to wear my powerful plant relic. And my Emerald Wolf cap. A cat. I'll have a little cap. But yes, so for my wand, I suppose I'll use an enchanted stick. That was the first wand I got. You can see. I want to try out this one. It's cute. Ah, well. Boots. Emerald Elf booties. Oh, these are my best boots. And my best boots. My best boots. Best boots. I guess I'm going to have to look for the Emerald Elf outfit. But it doesn't look like I own that, but I'm not in the mood to go and buy it. I'm just going to wear the earth ropes. So, yeah. Okay, yay. Let's take a gumball and... But let's see, now we've got 2 gems. 2 gems. I'm hot and itchy, but that doesn't matter. We have 2 gems. And I am about to get my 3rd. Well, no, not about to. Well, I'll start on getting my 3rd, but this is a very interesting episode. Did you like it? Did you dislike it? Post your answer in the comments below. Also, if you have any ideas on how to improve this. But I'm gonna have to move up a bit. I'm getting a bit uncomfortable, but this is interesting. I actually really always have liked this cap, but never really gotten a chance to wear it. But do you like my look now? Did you? Answer me now. But yeah, so let's go see my new things. But first, I invite you all to come jump on my trampoline. Of course, you have to invite me to do that first, but yeah, I'm jumping. Boing, 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 boing. Even though I'm not. So yeah, this video will have to draw to a close a bit early, but first, let me show you my adventure gear. So yeah, I will choose from a variety of these, but I guess I will have to be starting to close the episode. So forget about the adventure gear. Goodbye. See you, and try and now should I wait a bit? Well, goodbye.